Here's a step-by-step guide to installing DirecTV Stream, formerly AT&T TV, on your Firestick. DirecTV Stream is officially available on the Amazon App Store, so there's no need to sideload the app using Downloader. However, this app is geo-restricted to the US. If you're outside the US, you can use a VPN to connect to a US server and download the app. So first, on your Firestick home screen, click on Find, then click Search. A virtual keyboard will pop up. Start typing DirecTV and click on DirecTV when it appears in the suggestions. Click on the DirecTV Stream banner. Click on the Download or Get button to install the app. Allow the app to download and install. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Once the app is installed, click Open to launch DirecTV Stream. Sign in with your DirecTV Stream account credentials to start streaming your favorite content.